What up, Wonder? What up, Wonder?
Come on, Papa.
Wish I could promise that I keep you safe.
Ooh, that's loud.
Shield you from harm, protect you from pain. Deep down inside, I know that I can't. World is amazing, I'm hours away. The world is amazing, I'm hours away. Wish I could promise that I keep you safe. Shield you from harm, protect you from pain. Deep down inside, I know that I can't. The world is amazing, I'm hours away. Hours away. World is amazing, I'm hours away. Hours away.
Come here, Papa.
Hours away. When I'm dead and gone, just remember this. That daddy loves you. That daddy loves you. Yes, I do. When you can't go on, just remember this. That daddy loves you. That daddy loves you. Yes, I do. Wish I could promise that I keep you safe. Shield you from harm, protect you from pain. Deep down inside, I know that I can't. The world is amazing, I'm hours away. As long as I promise this, no need to fear, cause I'm saving the day. Superman and fly on my way. For any one of y'all, I would die today. Fucking taking the bullet, push them out of the way. No education, what can fit them away. 24/7, 7 days. Do it with a smile, no, I never complain. Know my kids are blessings, they mean everything. My sunshine on a cloudy day. My umbrella if ever it rains. My place is shelter, hurricane. Wish I could promise that I keep you safe. Shield you from harm, protect you from pain. Deep down inside, I know that I can't. World is amazing, I'm hours away. The world is amazing, I'm hours away. When I'm dead and gone, just remember this. Remember this. That daddy loves you. That daddy loves you. Yes, I do. When you can't go on, just remember this. That daddy loves you. That daddy loves you. Yes, I do. Yeah. Alright, what's up, y'all? This one here is for the streets. This here is just a little freestyle track. Just a little something extra I'm throwing in, you heard? Yeah. It's that cushion money.
That
Cushion money, that cushion money. That cushion money, that cushion money. That cushion money, that cushion money. All a nigga really need, that cushion money. That cushion money, that cushion money, that's all a nigga really need. Just bought a pound of that OG, 40 fresh from the OC. In the hood, I'm wholesale. If you paper right, get it 2 for 3. Clientele on overload. I get it for the low, so I sell it cheap. Turned up like day slow. Drank 4 cups of that Hennessy. Now me, I got a legal script for case sold up a Memphis. Play hard cause I work hard. Got them calling me physically. I roll up, take a G to